بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim and Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to the Oriental Public School online teaching platform. Today I'm going to record a video for class 4th and subject is science. Dear students, if you remember in the last lecture we have studied the last topic, the disorders or defects of the musculoskeletal systems. Disorders and defects of the musculoskeletal system. That was our last topic. With that topic we have finished the chapters. Today I'm going to summarize the chapter the human body. In today's video I'm going to revise the whole chapter from the very first topic up to the very last, right? So be active. Open your book and look at page 1. At page 1 we have topic cell. What is cell? Cell, the basic structural and functional unit of all living organisms. What is cell? Cell means all living organisms are consist of special building blocks and that building block is called cell. तमाम लिविंग ऑर्गेनिजम्स एक स्पेसिफिक यूनिट्स के बने हैं, उन यूनिट्स को सेल्स कहा जाता है. All living organisms are consist of cells, right? What is cell? Cell means our body is consist of units called cells. There are different kinds of cells in our body. For example, bone cell. Our bone is consist of special type of cell called bone cell. Next one is muscle cells. Muscle cells or muscular system is consist of muscle cells, right? What is cell? Cell is the basic structural and functional unit of all living organisms including the human beings. The types of cells, bone cells and muscle cells are the examples of cells, right? Second topic in your book is tissue. What is tissue? Tissue can be defined as when similar cells combine, they form tissues. When similar cells combine, they form tissues. Similar cell means those cells which are similar in structure and they perform same functions. When they combine, they form a group of cells and that group of cells is called tissues, right? We have different kinds of tissues in our body. For example, epithelial tissue, and second one is connective tissue. Epithelial tissue, where are epithelial tissues? Epithelial tissues are present in our skin. Our skin is consist of epithelial tissues and epithelial tissues are present on the anterior lining of our digestive systems. The anterior lining of our digestive systems. And what is connective tissue? Connective tissue, as the name indicates, those tissues which joins other tissues together. वो टिश्यू जो दूसरे टिश्यूज को कंबाइन करते हैं उसे कनेक्टिव टिश्यू कहा जाता है. ठीक है. Third topic in your book and your chapter is organ. What is organ? Organ, a group of tissue perform a specific job. आपके बॉडी के अंदर different kinds of tissues combine, they form a group of tissue, they form a larger body part. That body part is called organ. What is organ? When different kinds of tissues combine, they form a large body part. That large body part is called organ. For example, stomach in your body is an organ. Heart in your body is an organ. Lungs in your body is an organ. Okay? Next one, the organ system. What is organ systems? Organ system, when organs combine together, they form a complicated system called organ systems. When different kinds of organs combine, they form a complicated structure. That complicated structure perform a specific job in your body, right? So that complicated system is called organ system. Okay, these organs, different kinds of organs combine, they form organ system. For example, digestive system. What is digestive system? In our body we have a specialized kind of system whose job is to digest food, to break down food. Okay? Whatever we eat, that goes inside our stomach, then intestines, and they are broken down physically as well as chemically into smaller parts, and these smaller parts then diffuse inside our blood, right? Who's performed this breaking down of food? The breakdown of food is performed by digestive system. Now digestive system is consist of different organs. The organs are esophagus, our food pipe. Next one is stomach. Stomach is present here. Intestines. Below the stomach there are intestines. Two kinds of intestines, small intestines and large intestine. Small intestine and large intestine. And the next organ is liver. Liver is present here. Here is our liver. This region is liver, and last one is pancreas. Pancreas is attached with our stomach, right? These organs combine, they form digestive system. The esophagus, stomach, intestines, liver and pancreas. These organs combine, they form digestive system. Now what is the function of digestive system? So you have learned the function of digestive system is to digest food. Clear? After that you have topic the skeletal system. The skeletal system, as we have learned that skeletal system is a system in our body, a bony framework inside our body is called skeletal system. A bony framework in our body is called skeletal system. What is the function of skeletal system? The function of skeletal system is to provide you support. For example, I am standing here just because of my skeleton. Movement. I am moving just because of my skeleton. And protections. My skeleton provides protection to different delicate organs of my body like brain, heart, spinal cord, lungs, liver, etc. All these are delicate organs, and these organs are protected by our skeleton. Right? Next one, composition of skeleton. Composition of skeleton means our skeleton is composed of bones, joints and ligaments. Okay, these are the things which makes our skeleton. Our skeleton is mainly composed of bones, joints and ligaments. Now, what is ligament? What is ligament? So the answer is ligament is a special type of connective tissues which join bone with the bone. A special type of connective tissue which join bone with the bone. Okay. Next one, what is joint? Joint means the meeting point of two bones. The meeting point of two bones. A point where two bones are connected with each other is called joints. How bones are connected with each other? Bones are connected with each other with the help of ligaments. Clear? Joints. The types of joints. There are basically two types of joints. The one is immovable joint and the other is movable joints. Types of joints. How many types of joints you have? We have two kinds of joints in our body, the immovable joints and the movable joints. Now, what is immovable joint? A joint in which no movement exists is called immovable joint, and such joints are present inside our skull. Such joints are present inside our skull. This is our skull. Our skull is consist of 8 bones, but if you move your fingers at your skull, you will not feel any joint here, right? There are joints in our skeleton, but these joints are immovable. There is no movement in these joints. Okay. Second type of joint is movable joint. Movable joint. What is a movable joint? Movable joint is a type of joint in which movements exist. In which movement exists are called movable joints. Now there are 2 types of movable joints. One we call the ball and socket joint, and the other we call hinge joint. Ball and socket joint are present in our shoulders and hips, and these joints allow movements in multiple directions. These joints allow movements in multiple directions, while hinge joint is present in our elbow and knee, and these allow unidirectional movement. Clear? Ball and socket joints are present in our shoulders and hips. These allow multi-directional movement. Hinge joints are present in our elbow and knee, and they allow unidirectional movement. Clear? After that, we have muscular system. Muscular systems, a combination of muscles in our body which performs the movements of our body. What is muscular system? A combination of muscles in our body which bring about the movements in different parts of our body, right? Muscular movement is basically consist of muscles. What is muscle? Muscle is a special type of cell or special kind of tissue which has the ability to contract and relax, and due to this property they produce movement in our body. What is tendon? Tendon is a special type of connective tissue, and the function of tendon is to join muscle and bone. What is tendon? Tendon is a special type of connective tissue which join muscle and bone, right? So these muscles are connected with bone with the help of this connective tissue, tendons, right? Then types of muscles. How many types of muscles you have in your body? The answer is we have 3 types of muscles in our body. The first one, smooth muscle. Second one, cardiac muscle. Third one, skeletal muscle. Now, what is smooth muscles? Smooth muscles are those muscles which are involuntary. Involuntary means they move automatically. They are not under the control of our will, right? What are smooth muscles? Smooth muscles are involuntary in nature, and where are they present? Smooth muscles are present inside our stomach, intestines, and bladder. Okay, where are smooth muscles present? In stomach, intestines, and bladders, etc. Second type of muscle is cardiac muscles. Cardiac muscles are present inside our heart, and they are also involuntary in nature. They are also involuntary in nature, means they also move automatically. And the third one is skeletal muscles. Skeletal muscle, as the name indicates, skeletal muscles are those muscles which are attached with our skeleton, and these muscles are voluntary in nature. Voluntary in nature means they move according to our will. For example, I'm writing with my hands, so I'm moving my muscles or skeletal muscles according to my will. Right? For example, I'm going forward, I'm going backward. All these movements is because of my skeletal muscles, right? After this, we have the last topic, disorders of the skeleton. Disorder means defect in our skeletal systems. So we have discussed that in a very detail in the previous topic. The different kinds of disorders that occur in our skeletal systems are: the first one is the breaking of bones. Sometimes our bones fractured because of injury. The second is weakness of muscles. Sometimes our muscles become weak due to a disease or older age. And the third one is destruction of joints. Sometimes, like our bones, our joints also destroyed, teared away, or fractures. Right? What are the causes of destruction of joint? The first cause is injury, and the second cause is older age. In older age, there is a process occur that is called demineralization or softening of bone disease. Due to that disease, our joints may be destroyed. The last one, how we can make our bones strong, how we can make our bones and muscles strong. So the answer is by doing plenty of exercises and by eating healthy foods. Okay, how we can make our muscles and bones strong? The answer is by doing plenty of exercises, and second, by eating healthy foods, those foods which contain calciums. For example, milk, cheese, yogurt, etc. Right? Thank you so much. This is the end of this summary. Inshallah, in the next lecture, we will do exercise of this chapter. Right? Till then, Allah Hafiz.
اللهم انفعنا بما علمتنا وعلمنا ما ينفعنا وزدنا علما.